In this video, we'll train TJBot to recognize objects using the Raspberry Pi camera and the Watson visual recognition service. In the Node-RED editor, drag and inject node from the palette onto the canvas. Double-click on the node to configure it. Give it a name, Recognize Objects. Drag a C node from the palette onto the canvas. Double-click on the node to configure it. The C node uses a camera. Tick the checkbox to enable TJBot to use the camera. The C node also uses a Watson visual recognition service. We need to get these credentials from IBM Bluemix before we can use it. Click on the link icon next to the visual recognition heading. I'm already signed into my IBM Bluemix account. Create your IBM Bluemix account at bluemix.net. Click on Create. Each Watson service has separate service credentials. Click on Service Credentials in the menu on the left. Click on View Credentials to display the credentials. Copy the API key into the input box under the Visual Recognition section. The C node has a couple of modes: Read, identify text; C, identify objects and colors; and Take photo. Select C, identify objects, from the Mode drop-down menu. Drag a function node from the palette onto the canvas. Double-click on the node to configure it. Give it a name, Find Objects. Copy and paste the JavaScript code from the GitHub repo. This function loops through the objects and colors classified, filters just the object names, and concatenates them into a comma-separated list. Drag a debug node from the palette onto the canvas. Connect the nodes together. Click on the Deploy button in the top right corner of the Node-RED editor. Run the flow by clicking on the tab on the left side of the Inject node. TJBot takes a photo with the camera, classifies the image with the Watson visual recognition service, filters just the object names, concatenates them together, and displays a message in the debug window.